Good evening mga idol.
O, dali.
Kawa sakit sa dughan mga idol.
Dali.
Okay, kanta gonggoy mga idol.
Uy.
Kuha nga nagtanduay. Shout out ko, shout out. I remember the day
Ngit-ngit man.
when you're here with me. This letter says with your prayer. Memories that we had were so nice with you. Now you're gone away, you let me alone. Go on, do what you want, but please don't leave me. You break my heart. What should I do? Babe, let me see you. Please don't disappoint this world that you care. Time and time again, I wish that you were here. I do wanna see you, girl. I need you back. I do wanna see you, baby. Can you see it? Oh, I need you be a part of it. I wish someday you'll be back home. 'Cause I really miss you, darling. Please come home. Okay mga idol, unggoy pa more. Awa sa sakit sa dughan. I wish someday you'll be back home. 'Cause I really miss you, darling. Please come home. Okay, salamat sa watching of the Philippines. Good evening. Thank you. Onggoy.